the German cooperation has been a wonderful collaboration so far. The key aspect I would say is that they've been the main source of funding the program and being the main source of stabilizing or holding the program from the ground to where it is now. So in sustaining it, it is up to us. The German partners, they help in the curriculum development, in training the various facilitators, and they helped in the acquisition of the various tools and administrative materials right from the beginning to the running of the program. They've also helped in funding the key necessary items that is needed for the success of the program. UCAES as a body with the collaboration with the Germans has now gotten to a point where we've now embraced the TVET education as the main key driver of education, where we can also boast that a lot of youth in the community have now gained employable skills and they don't have to really be in the formal education before getting employed. In the course of the training, the engagement we have the German partners was that we had to have some engagement with the enterprises or the industries, because that was where the gaps were gotten from. So through that, we were able to identify the various industries that were interested in the individuals or the youth that had the skills so that they can be employed. Another way is that some of the industries were also interested that their workers could also get the same formal skills training with the institution. By so doing, they are ready to fund it. I foresee TVET sector doing very well with a careful planning, because TVET sector doesn't look at the theoretical aspect of the program alone, but they look at the practicality. They look at how facilitation goes, and they look at the gaps that are identified in the various industries. So a careful planning together with the various stakeholders, I foresee TVET will become the mainstay of education in the future without having to rely on the formal sector. I would say the Germans' cooperation involvement in the TVET has been the magical word, because in this country, skills acquisition or the TVET center used to be on the ground until the involvement of the German partners. So I think the identification of the skills sector and also the necessary industries engaging with the donor partners like the German corporation has become the talk of the town now, which has really made most of us now, even in the formal sector, now interested in the TVET. So I would say the Germans have really done very well in this sector and identifying why we are all happy to associate with the TVET sector now.